Before you get to this point, don't forget to put your yeast to rise. Mix all the dried ingredients, guys, and do the process of mixing everything together. Add the salt, the water, and everything. At the end, don't forget to add the lard. The lard you will add it at the end, not together with the ingredients. Don't forget. And this is such a wonderful recipe, and it's so easy to make. If you make this bread, you will not stop making it. I know it's a little bit lengthy over here, but I wanted to show you how many actually I did. I was able to make like about 11 bread with this recipe. By actually doing this process, it will make the bread to come out more soft. This process is very important because once you roll it, then everything will be combined inside, and once the bread is baked, then it will come out more fast. To be able to cut the bread at the top, you will need a very sharp knife. If you have a blade, a baking blade, the one that is used to cut and do the shape, you can do that as well. But your knife have to be really sharp, otherwise it will mess up your dough. I had to sharpen mine. But try to do your best um, to do the shape that I did at the top with the knife. Be careful. Oh wow, after this bread came out, it was so beautiful, golden and spongy. I couldn't resist myself, and I just as you can see, I just touch it, and when I open it, you will see the smoke coming out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like the video and share. Please let me know how the recipe came out for you. Leave a comment and share. I will be uploading new content and new videos, and I'm coming stronger than ever, and I am back. So God bless you all, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Eat your bread with whatever you want: chocolate, coffee, a shake by itself, make it a sandwich with soup. Enjoy. Bye bye. If you like this recipe, please subscribe, share, and enjoy it. See you soon.